Well, good morning. It's been a little while since I last done a video. It's because I haven't really been out and about much. But this morning I'm at the Wendover arm of the Grand Union Canal, somewhere between Wendover and Halton. And the plan is to hopefully find some kingfishers, but my God, I've been down here so many times. They're so elusive. Trying to find where they fish from is a bit of a challenge. Yeah, but it's nice to be sat here and watching the birds swim by and whatever else is going on. I shall park myself at various spots down the towpath and just see if I get lucky. I shall then leave the canal and make my way towards Aylesbury, which is about 4 miles away, I suppose. I shall go through the village of Weston Turville and follow the West End ditch across the fields to Bedgrove. So it shouldn't be too bad. It's a bit damp today, a little bit of drizzle from time to time, but it's all right. A lot better than yesterday, put it that way. Yesterday was just awful, raining all day. So it's nice to be in the dry again. So if anything happens, I shall be back. Well, I've left the canal, no joy once again. I'll tell you what, it's frustrating seeing everyone else's photographs of kingfishers, but here I am with all the gear, and damn, it's just so difficult to try and find where they like fishing from. Never mind, I shall carry on towards Weston Turville and then wind my way through and pick up that West End ditch, as I said earlier. Yeah, it's quite nice here. I'm in the shadow of the Chiltern Hills, which is just over there behind me. Beautiful place. Nice crop in the field here, as you can see. So I'm just walking on the edge of the field. A good place to spot and have some lunch, actually. My trusty portable chair, which I had by the canal there. I've probably sat there for an hour. Yeah, it's nice. Might get out the drone as well later when I get past Weston Turville, and when it stops raining. It's spitting a bit at the moment. Not the best conditions for drone photography. Don't want any spots getting on it. I can actually see the wind turbine at Aylesbury from here. That thing's huge. Yeah, I think I'll find a shady spot and have some lunch before I make my way ahead through Weston Turville. Yeah, be back in a bit. Well, I'm about a mile from Aylesbury, or Bedgrove at least. I'm obviously standing in a field again, But all of this in a few years will be a housing development called Hampden Fields, joining the edge of Aylesbury to Western Turville, which is quite a tragedy when you look at all this beautiful wheat field. Lovely old oak tree in the corner. Very peaceful. I can just hear the sound of Tring Road, all the traffic going along there. Quite busy road, that one. One of the main arteries into Aylesbury. So there's only about, I don't know, 2 fields I think to go before I reach Bedgrove. And that'll be it. I shall make my way home from there. I'll take some photographs on the way because it's good to have a record. And as you'll see from the drone footage, I've been up in the air, although it was a restricted zone because of RAF Halton is still active. So I had to put in my phone number and get clearance confirmation from DJI. But yeah, it's a good thing. Keeps us all within the regulations. Can't have any silliness around that. So I'm gonna head off back to Aylesbury and sort out any photographs I've got. I took some at along the canal there, a few birds, so I shall do a little slideshow I think, and call it a day. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.